Here we have a Series 1 Ram 1500 Warlock, fitted in black, mid-grey two-tone sheepskin acrylic with full sheepskin base skirts. That's both front and rear. If you're viewing this on YouTube, I'll put timestamps in the comments so you can jump to front, to rear, or watch the whole video. So front pair have separate headrests. As mentioned, there are two-tone sheepskin, black sides with a mid-grey centre. So being a Series 1 Warlock, has manual controls on both driver and passenger for the backrest. Seat covers go inside the capping, leaving access to the levers. Airbag provision on the door sides of both backrests. Customer has option full backrest backs, but you also have the option to leave the mat pockets open for no additional fee. Customer has also optioned a center console top. This is a 5-seater, so backrest is locked, but if you have the 6-seater, you can also option a seat cover for both console, backrest and the base, as I mentioned with any unlocked model. Now we move on to the rear bench. So it's a Series 1 Warlock, so it has a one-piece bench, 3 separate headrests. Center lap sash belt is left open, accessible, functional. Belt buckles in the middle, accessible. You have the option to leave the ISOFIX open if you so choose. Just like the front, full sheepskin on the skirt of the base, and the seat cover cuts in the middle because of course this particular bench has the cutout, so our seat covers follow the contours of the seat, so everything functions as normal. Finally, like most Rams, the base folds up vertically. Our seat cover has canvas underneath the seat, so any tools down the bottom, the seat is protected just like the top. If you watch this video all the way through, or even gave half of it a view, appreciate your support. Thank you. Cheers.